Namaste everyone, welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we're going to do once again Kapalabhati. I got requests asking for making the Kapalabhati with a little bit more with details. So today I'm going to show you how to exhale because there were some people that are having difficulty exhaling. So let's begin. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and click on this bell icon and stay tuned. First of all, you want to sit in a nice comfortable position. So Sukhasana is good, but if you can sit in, for example, Padmasana, that is going to be even brilliant because this makes your spine to be more erect and straight. So therefore, it's more recommended, or I recommend myself. After that, bring your hands on your knee with Chin Mudra or Gyan Mudra. Close your eyes. And begin to focus onto your breath. Simply watch your breath for a few seconds, where it's happening, how it comes in and goes out, without having to breathe in or out. Let it happen itself. You simply watching it like a watchman. Once you have noticed your breath, then begin to do at least 3 abdominal breathing, where you breathe in, stomach rises, and then breathe out, stomach falls completely. Breathing in 4 seconds, and breathing out 8 seconds. Breathing in one more time, 4 seconds. And breathe out 8 seconds. Now let's begin. So let me explain you what to do when you are exhaling. So there are some mistakes that people think that when you inhale and then you choke yourself and exhale. There's no breathe inside anymore, no oxygen inside, and you cannot continue, right? So what I'm doing, I'm exhaling and I'm releasing, letting go. So when I let go, the breath comes itself. So breathe out and release. Breathe out and release. So what I'm not doing, I'm not forcefully breathing in, but I'm letting go of the stomach. And when stomach goes out, itself the breath will come. Have you ever vomit? And you see in vomiting what you do? You right? That's how the vomit happens. So exactly the similar movement we have to do, except keeping the mouth closed and doing the forceful breathe out through the nose. So it looks like this. So it's more like exhale, exhale, exhale. Exhale and then release. Exhale and release. Exhale and release. Right? So let's do one more time. Let me do 10 rounds and you can see how it looks. So I will not choke and I will show you both one more time. One is with choke and one is without choke. So first I'm going to do the one chokes me. That normally people do the mistake. So that's how it looks. You see, I'm not letting my stomach release. And that's why it's happening. So what we need to do, inhale, exhale. Right? So let's do 1 round of Kapalabhati correct way. Let me keep the t-shirt so you can see the movements. Let's begin. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now inhale fully completely and begin. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Gently open your eyes. So this is how we do the exhalation in Kapalabhati. I hope that it was useful, that you can understand. If you didn't understand still, please comment and let me know what is the difficulty, and I will try to remake the video if anything else that I'm missing. So thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit. I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.